Take 2 teaspoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of gram flour, and about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix all the ingredients together to make a smooth paste. Now, apply the paste all over your hands. You can also apply this paste on your legs, face and neck. Leave it on for about 10 minutes. Then wash off with cold water. This paste will help to brighten the dull skin. After washing off, let it pat dry, and apply a good moisturizer. You can also apply aloe vera gel to moisturize your skin. Aloe moisturizes the skin, and it also helps remove dead cells. Aloe vera improves the elasticity of skin and makes it smoother and more supple. It also helps to remove wrinkles from hands. Turmeric can prevent the formation of wrinkles and melanin. It helps to detan your skin, and improves your skin complexion. It also prevents the reduction in skin elasticity, caused by chronic UVB exposure. The anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties of turmeric help soothe burns as well. The astringent and antioxidant properties of turmeric help heal wounds and reduce scarring. Yogurt used in this pack has lactic acid, which works well as an exfoliator. It removes the topmost layer of dead cells, revealing brighter and younger skin. Yogurt helps in healthy and effortless skin renewal, and preventing the skin from getting dry and dehydrated. Protects the skin cells from the damage caused by free radicals, aids in cellular regeneration and growth. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.